Alright, so in this video we're gonna talk about how to create viral worthy ranking YouTube video titles using AI so that you don't have to sit and brainstorm and try to come up with ideas from scratch and not go anywhere. If you mess them up, or even if it's not optimized, you're not gonna rank on the first page of the platform. And not only this, but apart from the titles in your content creation process, you can install this in other aspects of the content creation process, that is scripting, that is coming up with the video titles, even your business aspects. So it's gonna help you a lot. It's pretty easy, it's automated in a sense. Apart from that, you have to sit and apply your common sense. So let's just get into it, and I'm gonna give you the complete system, so watch till end. Alright, so the first thing that you'll need is ChatGPT. Now hold on, you won't be using ChatGPT just as it is. We're gonna add some tools on it. We're gonna download some add-ons, and it's free. We don't need the ChatGPT pro version. If you have it, that's pretty good, but if you don't, that's fine as well. Now the first thing that you'll need is the ChatGPT, of course. Open ChatGPT in the first tab. Now till it loads, go and search up for, that is the second thing, AIPRM for ChatGPT. You could search AIPRM Chrome extension. That's the name of the Chrome extension. So if you go here to the Chrome web store, you'll see this option. What you do is you just add to Chrome. It's already added for me, so I won't need to do it for now, but you do add to Chrome. Now once that's done, what you'll need is you'll need this transcript of the video that you made. So let's say this is the video I created. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the tool I use is CapCut. So I'm gonna go to CapCut and export the transcript in a text file. Now I have the pro version of CapCut. I'm just gonna show you. So let's say this is the video you shot. So this is the video I'm gonna soon upload. And what you're gonna do is you go to text. I'm gonna give you another alternative as well, but for now, if you got CapCut, that's pretty good. You go to auto caption and then you do generate. So it's gonna generate the captions in the text form over the screen. And hold on a minute, you don't need the text on the screen. All you need is a text caption in the form of text file. You don't need to copy the text from here. You just need a text file, and I'm gonna show you how to export that in CapCut. But if you don't have CapCut, there are a couple of free versions available on the Google as well. But if you're creating content, you probably have a way to edit videos. You might be either using CapCut, you might be using either a Premiere Pro. So let's say if you have an editor, just tell them to give the SRT file, SRT or the text file of the transcript. Just tell them to transcribe the whole video, and then they'll give it to you. It's pretty easy. If you do it on your own, then you might know this probably already. But if you don't, you probably go to YouTube and search for example, you could search for video to text transcript for free. You could do this, and now then a couple of options will pop up. You could go here. You could try a couple of things, which some might be free, some might not be free. You could try that. But the simplest thing you could do is just ask the editor, or do it in Premiere Pro or CapCut. So let's just go back to CapCut. It might be done by now. So it is. It's done. You might not see the text because it's in the white. But what you do now is, I got the pro version, so you might have to get the pro version. But so what you do now is you export the video. Now you don't export the video, you export just the text file. What you do is you untick this, untick video, and just tick the captions and not SRT text. You could do in the SRT. I'm gonna tell you one thing about SRT as well. Let's just export in the text for now. But in Premiere Pro, you might not have the option to export in SRT in text. So, but I got the option to export in text, so let's just do that for now. Done. Now I'm gonna do the SRT as well, just to show you the example on how you can do it if you got the SRT, because some sites might just do SRT, but I'm gonna give the solution to that as well. SRT basically means there will be timestamps in the text, like there will be 0. This timestamps, and you don't want that in the transcript. You just want a simple text transcript of the video. But I'm gonna give you the solution of that as well. Now once that's done, you will go to ChatGPT, and when you have added the AIPRM, it was just one search bar before. Now this is how it looks. There are a lot of other prompts. So these are prompts already created, optimized by other people, and its prompt, its data is just optimized for the specific thing that you want to do. So for example, let's say you want to do video ideas. You'll see a lot of things pop up. If you search in a better way, for example, topic, so you'll see is there more? Yeah, you could go to next page. There's just a lot of things that you could do here. So you could even search for, let's say you want to create a user persona or buyer persona. So you could just search, and you could help make use of this in your business. So this is the AI PRM extension. But if you go back to creating the title, what you'll have to do is you'll have to search for YouTube title. That's what I use, by the way. This is what I use to brainstorm ideas, come up with more catchy ways to frame the sentences, so that I don't have to start from scratch, because just to come up from scratch, it's a lot of times harder. So if you got a good base of a lot of ideas, you will be able to work on and create the best out of them. So you could try a couple of these things. I'm not saying you just stick to one, but if you could try all this and find the one that works the best for you. There might be 2 prompts, there might be 2 selection of this, and both might work good for you. You make use of both. Now the thing is, there's a whole video, and how you gonna come up with you can't paste the whole text here, because it has certain character limit. For example, if we go to the text file, so this is how it looks, by the way, the text file. This is the whole transcript of the video. This is whatever you said in the video is gonna get converted into the text form. So let's say if you copy this, and if you just go to ChatGPT, if you do this, all right. So if you do this, you can't, message is too long. You can't even generate any prompts. So that's what's gonna happen if you do that. Now what you're gonna do is we're gonna go to this attach file. So you'll have to go to attach file, upload from computer, and then we're gonna select the text file. So it shows, I don't know what's the error. Yeah, I don't know why the error popped up, but it should get uploaded because it's a pretty small file, and that's just how you do it. Now till it gets uploaded, I'm gonna give you the solution on how to do it with the SRT file, and which I'm sure a lot of you guys might have it. So what you'll have to do is let's say you got the SRT file. So this is how it will look like. So see, this just sucks. It's a lot of text, there's a lot of numbers. So what you'll do is you'll go copy this. Okay, so if you go here, we just paste the whole transcript, or you could even upload the file, and then I guess you could just upload the file. That would be better. Clean timestamp. So this is how it will look. So all the numbers are being removed, and there would be no confusion between the numbers and the text, and you could just copy the cleaned text and create a new note file and just paste it there, and then upload the file. That's how it is. You could, if you got the text file, that's even better. Now once that's done, once you uploaded the file, you go and select one of these prompts. You need to find which one works the best for you. Each one gives you different ideas, or you could even try a couple and come up with the best one. Now let's say we go, you could even get the description, you could even get the hashtags, whatever you need. But let's just, for example, go with this one. Let me just type something: make viral YouTube video title. This is how it works. Now it just gave you two options. You could go and tell it to give you more. So be like, give me more optimized 5, or let's just say 10 more titles along with the description if you want that, or and tags. Let's just go with that. I gotta regenerate. I don't know why it's being annoying, but it will work fine for you. Here you go. The secret of living blah 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 blah. So whatever the video you have, it will give you the titles. That's it. So you will have unlimited number of titles, and you could mix couple of these and work on and try to create the best one which you think is the most practical. You could do that. And there's one more tool that I'm gonna give. So when you upload, you'll have more ideas to work on, and it's gonna give you a score to know how optimized or viral the topic is, the title. So it's gonna give you the score. So for example, let's just go and try to upload the video. Alright, so let's just say we uploaded the video on YouTube, and you might know how to do that, but let's just say we uploaded the video. Now what you will need is, you'll need the extension called vidIQ. You could search this up on Google in the Chrome web store, download this extension, create an account. Once you do that, these things will pop up automatically. So let's just say we go and copy the title, let's just copy this title, or I just copied already this one title. By the way, these titles are already pretty good. These titles are already gonna be optimized to the fullest. Like, these are pretty good titles, by the way. So you will probably find the titles here itself. But if you wanna know the score, now let's just say I pasted this title here. Now here's the score. You will see 90 out of 100. That's a pretty good score. There are more 5 options that you'll get here. 90, 90, 90, 90. Some will be 80, some will be 85. You could, let's say, I change this, I remove this, or I add one more thing. Ultimate. I just change this. You will need. It's just gonna give you the updated score. 63. So just because I removed one word that is fixed, it gave me a bad score, 63 score. So that's how you will be able to tell if your title is good or not. Again, it's an AI, it's not a human, and humans are gonna watch these videos. So you gotta optimize these for the human. That's it for the video. If you liked it, I'm gonna give more sauce about content creation process, so you could automate this whole process, or you could start booking more appointments using such content systems, because you don't want to just create videos. You want to convert the viewers into clients, your fans, your followers, everything. So we're gonna discuss more about these things in this channel. So subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.